Hey everyone, so this is kind of a off-the-cuff type of video, but I wanted to make this to say thank you guys so much for getting me to 30,000 subscribers and growing on my YouTube channel. Also for supporting me through my links, my affiliate codes, the discount codes that I've gotten for you guys, and for my Patreon. With all of that, I'm able to afford buying better equipment to make better videos. What I have here is a new arm to replace this really cheap wobbly one, and a new connector for my actual camera because this one happened to break during my last video, and this is as tight as it goes, and it just kind of moves around however it likes. So, because of you guys, I can afford to buy better equipment and make better videos. Also, I was able to buy a little bit of gold that I'm going to be working with in a future video. These are both one pennyweight of gold. So this is 14 karat white gold, and this is 24 karat yellow gold, because that's the only 24 karat it comes in. So, thanks to you guys, I can actually start making different videos using better materials. That's about it for this. I just wanted to say thank you, and I really appreciate it, and I hope that I can continue to make basically helpful videos for you. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.